Hello, my beautiful Libras. How are you all doing? Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. We are going to read for you and your person and your love situation. And these are general love readings, so please keep in mind they may not resonate with each one of you. So please watch your sun, moon, rising, and Venus. And keep in mind roles can be reversed and cross watches are welcome. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with your reading, Virgos. Okay, first card popped out. It is a Seven of Cups. Okay, you are a lot of choices. Maybe let's see what is this all about. Looks like your person. These are your feelings. So maybe you're fantasizing or thinking about them. Okay, then we have how do you view your person, as you view them as a hierophant. Okay, maybe they are very by the book kind of a person. They are like or maybe you are dealing with a Taurus, a strong Taurian energy. Okay, and this person uh, holds a high rank and goes by the book, where follows all the rules and regulations in life, wants to go take all don't doesn't want to take any reckless decision, and so basically we'll do everything by the rules. Okay, so let's see what are your person's feelings for you. Okay, Libras, what are, we have one card. They have Five of Swords. Okay, Five of Swords is a lot of conflicts, tension between you guys. How they feel, there are a lot of conflicts between you guys. That is the reason for your Libras you're here. Okay, we'll pull out what are you hoping for in this. Sorry, how does your person views you? How does your person views you? Is Six of Wands. Yes, they view you as someone worth fighting for. They want to have victory with you. They love you. They hold you in a high pedestal. Like they, you are the winner in front of him. Like for them, you are the winner. Too many cards, guys. Let's see. What are you hoping for in this, spirits and guides? Please tell me what Libra is hoping for in this connection. We have Ace of Swords. Yes, you want the truth, clarity. If see, the confusion is here. What are your feelings and what you want is clarity. Ace of Swords. Okay, again too many. Spirits and guides, please tell me about Libras. Angel, spirits, guides, universe, please tell me about Libras. What is your person hoping for? What is your person hoping for? We have two cards here. They are hoping for Six of Pentacles and Seven of Pentacles. Yes, they want to work through this connection. They want to give you equal give and take, and they're patiently waiting for the results. Right now is not the right time, so they are planting the seeds, but waiting so that you get what you deserve. Okay, Libras, let's see what action you plan on taking. We have, sorry, too many cards. What actions you plan on taking is the Ten of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, you want a very new beginning, and you are asking your spirits and guides to get you out of this Ten of Swords energy, and you want a new beginning with this, a very stable connection to start. Okay, this is your wish. Like you are in this state fully, like all in up in your mind, not sleeping well, just feeling so drained out from this situation, but you want a new beginning, a fresh start with. Let's see what action you plan on taking with this person. Spirits guides, please tell me what action do Libras plan on taking with this connection. Is Six of Swords. You are planning to move away from this situation and invest in something new, because you have choices in life. You're done with the Five of Swords energy, Ten of Swords energy, and they have a lot of feelings for you. They think you will do what you desire. Okay, for the outcome of the situation, Libras, we have got Tower. Yes, something is breaking here, and you are moving away from this situation. The outcome also is the Tower. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the Tower. Okay, Eight of Pentacles. Yes, for focusing on work. You need to focus on your work and your pentacles. No need to think too much about this. Let's would like to clarify what action you plan on taking, because this shows me that your person, your plan is to get out of this Ten of Swords energy and give it a new stable start to your life. And your person is like moving away kind of energy. Action your person plans on taking is Six of Swords. Why? Three of Wands. And then we have the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So guys, I think this is a marriage situation. Clearly this looks like a third party situation. Hierophant tells me that this is a marriage which is keeping you away from them, and finally it's like you people are breaking apart and going away. Libras, this looks sad. Let's see what Romance Angel have to say for you. Already we have two cards. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Definitely, I think that is the truth. You felt very codependent in this connection. You felt that as a third wheel, and you are deciding to move away. And this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. So the Ace of Pentacles tells me that you are moving away towards, because you have choices, Libras. You have choices, and you know you will be victorious in this connection if whatever you choose, and you are not interested in the past, but still you are looking for answers, like am I doing the right thing? Am I if I move away from this old connection, if I leave them, this is definitely a third party situation and you're stuck in this. And can be something else also, where your partner, your person who you are looking for this is actually, Libras, you're looking for answers. Whether should I opt for new options or not. So you have already met the romantic partner you seek, and you need the answers is yes, you should go for the new one, because the Tower is here, the Eight of Pentacles. The total focus of your partner, of your person, is also towards their stability and finances and their family. Okay, and the action they plan on taking is Six of Swords. Surely they are moving away. Let's see what our fortune telling cards tell us. The tea leaf cards for my Libras. Universe, spirits and guides, please tell me what my Libras need to know for the second week of December. Three cards already. We have ladder. Climbing towards success. Of course, you are climbing towards success. Six of Wands is, even your person sees you at you that you will move away if they don't work hard, and that is the right decision, I guess. You should move away from them. Key, successful outcome to your problems. All your problems are going to get a very successful outcome. Okay, Ace of Swords and the Six of Wands is really, oh, then you have the Ace of Pentacles also. Two aces in this reading are really telling me that you are getting new beginnings, Libras, and you need to focus on them. Elephant, long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Beautiful. This has been a very long journey. Ten of Swords is really like gone through shit. Okay, so after this long journey, you have gained your wisdom. You have grown mentally, physically, and physically both. And the more wiser you get, the more better decisions in future you will make. Okay, and you have already found the person, or maybe you're going to find them in December second week onwards, as this reading is for that. And okay, Libras, this was your reading. I hope this reading helped all my Libras, and we'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.